What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Oobit token, ticker symbol OBT. This token just got a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Oobit token. So like I said, ticker symbol's OBT. It was just announced 2 hours ago on Mexc Global's Twitter that they will be listing this token in the spot trading innovation zone, 12 o'clock, October 19th, UTC time. So today is the 18th, so this token will be listed tomorrow on Mexc Global. You'll be able to get it over there. And yeah, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Mexc referral code in the description box, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search OBT, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you'd simply just buy the token. It's that easy. So if you want to find information about this token, you can head over to Mexc Global's Twitter. They have lots of info over there. And they also have a details button where you can click on their new listing. They have a trade to mine 147,000 OBT contest going on. It goes from October 19th to October 20th. You can get involved with that, a trade mining contest. So they also have their webpage listed on here, which is oobit.com, pretty straightforward. Their block explorer is also listed on here. So it says so far they have 265 holders, 668 transfers, 18 decimal places on this token. They have a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. On their Etherscan, they have a CoinGecko listing, CoinMarketCap listing, LinkedIn, Telegram, Twitter, official webpage, GitHub, Facebook, Medium articles, and a contact email. So all sorts of info on their Etherscan, or all sorts of socials, I should say. So it says pay for almost everything with crypto. Scan to download the Oobit app, and they have a QR code on their page where you can just scan that and then download their app. You can log in on their page. There's a personal login or merchant login. So this is for customers and businesses. They also have, it says, choose your crypto experience. Buy crypto with as little as $10. While whether you're just getting started or already a pro, Oobit makes it easy to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and over 35 other popular cryptocurrencies within minutes. Tap to pay in store. Tap to pay anywhere you see the contactless symbol with your preferred crypto asset directly using the Oobit app. Pay anyone instantly. Transfer crypto easily and quickly to your contacts. All you need is a phone number. So it says they've been rated 4.6 stars out of 5 with the App Store rating. All of this and more, all inside the Oobit app. They have frequently asked questions on here. So what is cryptocurrency? How to convert cryptos into Oobit? How can I create an account on Oobit? What are the purchase limits? Supported countries? Which cryptocurrencies are available on Oobit? Buying Oobit with a credit card? How do I sign up for the app? How do I buy? And does it store my secure personal information? All that type of stuff. So the Oobit token offers a wide range of rewards, perks, and benefits applicable to the whole growing Oobit ecosystem. The Oobit token is a decentralized digital asset built on top of the Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain networks with a limited total supply. The key idea in creating OBT is to significantly lower the costs within the crypto space, and when using the OBT token, you pay fewer fees than you would with other crypto services. The OBT minting was implemented in 2021 with all 1 billion ERC20 and BEP20 tokens minted at once and distributed and held by Oobit management. So how is this network secured? As the Oobit token is built on top of the Ethereum blockchain, it is currently secured by the proof of work consensus mechanism, while the BEP20 OBT token is built on top of the Binance Smart Chain and using a proof of staked authority consensus mechanism. As an ERC BEP20 token, owners can stake it and benefit from staking rewards, and that's going to be coming soon. The platform also functions as a secure MPC and cold wallet backed by GK8 and hosts its own OBT tokens. OBT is currently in the process of being listed on several exchanges like Mexc Global. More details to follow in the near future. In the meantime, users can earn OBT by completing tasks on the platform as outlined above or trade the tokens on decentralized exchanges. So it says, how can I earn OBT rewards? It says OBT is rewarded to new users once they complete the following tasks. If you complete registration, if you convert or buy $30 worth of crypto, the OBT tokens will be deposited directly into your OBT wallet. And it says, can you bridge OBT from Binance Smart Chain to ERC20? If you'd like to bridge our OBT tokens on the Ethereum network to OBT tokens on the Binance Smart Chain network and vice versa, all you need to do is deposit your OBT tokens on the Oobit app. The next time you withdraw your OBT tokens from the Oobit app, you can select the network of your choice and it will be done automatically. So on their Etherscan, if you check out their coin market cap, it says today they're up 6.19%, so they're doing pretty well today, sitting at about 14.1 cents per token. They do have a full white paper listed on CoinMarketCap. That's where you can find their white paper. Contract address for Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum are both on CoinMarketCap. You can find that on there, BSC Scan and Etherscan. Also, they have a Medium, Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, GitHub, official webpage. All that stuff is listed on CoinMarketCap. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one where this token just got listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.